Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you create your own group on Facebook app. So let's start up the process. Open up your Facebook app, then tap on menu button at the right bottom of the screen. Then tap on second option at the second column, groups. Then tap on third option, plus icon at the top of the screen. Now you can see two options. Tap to first option, create a group. Now you can tap your group name here and choose your privacy. If you want to make your account public or private, then tap to done option and then tap to create option at the bottom of the screen and your group will be created. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.